I deployed a Bitcoin trading agent designed to run autonomously with strict risk controls and full observability in a live environment. The system was stable, continuously processing market data, but it wasn't trading. That raised an immediate question. Why? The goal was simple: remove emotion from execution and validate a rule-based strategy under real market conditions. The agent ingests market data through a fallback chain, computes indicators like RSI and ATR, and routes decisions through a hybrid layer, combining LLM reasoning and deterministic controls. In production, the logs showed repeated hold decisions. Sell signals had occurred historically, but no recent buy activity. Critically, the system is governed by guardrails, position limits, stop-loss logic, and cooldown mechanisms to enforce disciplined behavior. The system wasn't failing. Data feeds were healthy, execution was stable, and decisions were consistent. It was behaving exactly as programmed. A 1-hour cooldown after sell events prevented the decision engine from running. The system wasn't evaluating trades at all during this window. RSI remained in the neutral band, around 60 to 70, under a non-trending regime. As a result, entry conditions were never satisfied, and the system consistently held. The entry condition required deep oversold levels, while the market remained in a mid-range regime, creating structural asymmetry where exits were possible, but entries were rare. A targeted adjustment was made, raising the buy threshold from 35 to 40, expanding the entry window while preserving exit discipline. This change doesn't make the system aggressive. It restores participation in normal market conditions without compromising risk controls. The key insight is that system behavior emerges from interacting constraints, thresholds, cooldowns, and regime detection, not any single rule. A system can be stable, yet under-participate. Observability is essential, and parameter tuning often matters more than strategy selection. Real-world behavior does not match backtests. Systems behave differently under live conditions. The system didn't fail. It followed the rules too well. The immediate focus is to validate the updated configuration in live conditions and continue iterative improvement. Thanks for watching.